I'm Nate Savage from Guitario, and in this video I just want to show you a really easy way to remember how to build the 4 different types of diatonic 7th chords. And we'll start with just a C major triad, C, E, and G, right? Root position. And the cool thing about this shape is all the notes are in order, so root, 3rd, 5th, C, E, and G, right? All you have to do to turn a major triad into a major 7th chord is add the 7th scale degree on top. In this case, it's a B. So to create the major triad, just circle the 1st, 3rd, and 5th notes of a C major scale, C, E, and G. And then to make it into a major 7th chord, really jazzy sounding, add the 7th scale degree on there, that B on top. Now the only difference between a major 7th chord and a dominant 7th chord, or what we call a 7th chord sometimes, that really bluesy sounding chord that you probably hear all the time, is you take that natural 7th, that B note, and lower it by 1/2 step. So you need a B flat instead of a B. So you have C major 7, lower the 7th by 1/2 step to get a dominant 7th chord. So that sounds kind of bluesy. The major 7th chord sounds more jazzy. To make a minor 7th chord, let's start with just a C major 7th chord again. Root 3rd, 5th, 7th. You can lower that 7th by 1/2 step to create a dominant 7th chord. If you want to make a minor 7th chord, you have this 3rd right here, and you can just lower that 1/2 step too, so that's great. Switch that fingering up a little bit. You end up with a minor 7th chord. It's a nice different color apart from just a regular minor triad that you might want to experiment with. Now to make a minor 7 flat 5 chord, kind of our last type of diatonic 7th chord, all you have to do is lower the 5th by 1/2 step. And the 5th is right here with your 3rd finger. So I'm going to change my fingering up a little bit and lower that by 1/2 step again. So C, E flat, G flat, B flat. If you'll notice, all of our notes except for our root have been lowered by 1/2 step by this point. So basically we went from here, major 7 chord, and lowered everything by 1/2 step to end up with a minor 7 flat 5, the diatonic chord in a major key for the 7 chord. So you end up with major 7, dominant 7, minor 7, and minor 7 flat 5. So some of those chords may be pretty impractical for you, but they are great for learning how all 4 diatonic 7th chords are actually made. For more practical ways to apply these chords, head over to guitario.com, and I'll see you there.